Ready to use your dryer? In this video, we'll walk you through how to operate your crossover dryer. Load garments into the machine and close the door. For best results, don't overload your dryer. Select from one of the 4 programs installed on the machine. These programs are high, medium, low, and no heat. Once you've made your selection, press start and you're ready to go. The control panel will display either a C or a D. D, followed by a number, indicates the time it will take to dry. C, followed by a number, indicates the time remaining for the cool down period. When your dry cycle is complete, it will read Done.